Okay, sir.
Because I have to start new chapter na next time. So I'm just completing this, then we'll discuss.
Okay, sir.
Sir, page number?
Page number, it is 114,
Okay, sir. Okay.
and sum number 16 we'll do now. 16.
Hmm?
Page number 114, sum number 16. So
16. Okay.
sure, let us read this. Sum number 16. A lends 2,500 to B and certain sum to C at the same rate as 7% per annum simple interest. After 4 years, A receives 1,120 as interest from B and C. Find the sum lent to C. A is giving some amount to B and something to C. So A lends principal of 2,500 to B, and to C we are not knowing. I am writing rupees X. At the same time, that means they started, A gave B and C at the same time in same year, same month, same day. At rate of interest 7 per annum, 7% per annum, 7% per annum to both. After 4 years, after 4 years, he receives interest from first plus from second, total as rupees 1,120. Then find the sum lent to C. Question you have followed?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
A is giving some money to B and some to C. To B he gave
On, sir,
2,500.
on the same day, right? Same day.
Same day indicates that time will remain same.
Okay, sir.
So he gave first to B at R1 rate for 4 years. Some amount to C, I wrote X. At same rate for same period. Total interest he got 1120. What was X?
Okay, sir.
So can I say simple interest formula is P R T upon 100. That means first interest plus second ka interest will be P1 R1 T1 upon 100 plus P2 R2 upon into T2 upon 100. This line follow.
Yes, sir.
So total is 1120. P1 2500 into 7 into 4 upon 100. Here P2 is X, R2 is same 7 upon 100 into T2 is 4. So 1120 equals to LCM I can take 100. 7 into 4 28. Correct? 7 into 4, 28.
Yes, sir.
What is 28 into 25? Can you multiply in rough and tell me? Just multiply and tell. 28 and 25 in rough.
700.
700.
Yes, sir. 7.
700. And 2 zeros already there.
Yes, sir.
Now 70,000 plus 28x equals 200. Now cross multiply. This will be 1120 into 100 equals to 70,000 plus 8x or not?
Yes, sir.
Till this you all have followed what
Sir,
I
what
did?
about 28?
No, sorry, not 8. It is 28. 28. See, again see. A is a man who gives money to B and C. A gives B rupees 2,500 at rate of 7 for 4 years, and to see something which I don't know, rate same, time same, and total interest he got 1120. So I know interest formula PRT upon 100. So interest of first plus second is P1 R1 T1 upon 100 plus P2 R2 T2 upon 100. Total interest 1120. Then I substituted 2500 R7 P4. Here we don't know, we have taken X. So 7 into 4, 28 into 25, 700 and 2 zeros. Now I cross multiply. 1120 into 100 will become 70,000 plus 28x. Just copy it in this. Then in 2 line I'm explaining how to get the result. This left hand side, can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Just hold for a while. Let me complete further. This is 1, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 zeros minus 70,000 equals to 28x. 0, 0, 0. 2 minus 0 is 0. 11 minus 7, 4. So 42,000 equals to 28x. That means 42,000 upon 28 equal to x. 7 fours are 28. 7 6 are 42. 3 zeros. So 1500 equals to x. That means x is nothing but rupees 1,500. So the sum lent to C equals to rupees 1,500. Yes, all of you have followed.
Yes, sir.
Please write now.
Yes.
The only chance of mistake is silly mistake.
Done.
Done, sir.
1 second. 1 second. Next one. Sum number 17. The simple interest on certain sum for rupees 3 year at 8% per annum. Simple interest on certain sum for 3 years at 8% per annum is 90 more than simple interest on same sum for 2 years at 9% per annum. Find the sum. Let the sum be rupees X. Now look what is condition given. Simple interest on certain sum for 3 years at 8% is 96 more. 96 more means plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus. So according to given condition, according to given condition, 96 more is the interest on certain sum. Simple interest on certain sum for 3 years, 8% is 96 more. So I wrote plus 96. Then simple interest of second sum for 2 years. So can I write like this? Interest of first one is 96 more than that on second.
Yes, sir.
Again,
Yes.
again say. 3 years, 8% interest is 96 more. 96 more of what? Of the second wala, na?
Yes, sir.
So can I write I1 is I2 plus 96? This line followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Arnav, Ashmit, Shreyas?
Yes. Sir.
Now I1 is nothing but what? P1 R1 P1 upon 100 is P2 R2 T2 upon 100 plus 96. P1 is X, R1 is 8, time is 3 year upon 100. P2 is also same sum, but rate of interest 9, year 2 upon 100 plus 96. So now you have to apply slight common sense. This is 24x upon 100. 8 3s are 24.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
9 2s are 18.
Yes.
X1 you collect on one side. So 24x upon 100 minus 18x upon 100 equals to 96. LCM is 100.
So
Yes.
how subtraction?
This side plus. So I brought here minus. Huh?
Hmm.
When you change the side, plus becomes minus.
Yes.
24 minus 18 is how much?
6.
16.
16.
6.
6.
6.
So now you take this x 100 here, x equal to 100 into 96 upon 6. 16 6 96, x equals to 1.
1600.
Therefore, the sum equals
Yes.
to rupees 1600. First, this you understood. 96 more means plus 96.
Yes, sir.
So suppose I am getting 96 more than my friend. So 96 plus my friend is my mark, and so on. Okay, this line clear? This one? This one?
Yes, sir.
Right then. First ka interest 96 more means plus of second one. Then just I have done proper simplification. Hello? हाँ सर, हाँ जस्ट देखा, हाँ देखा देखा देखा, हाँ ठीक है, हाँ हाँ कोई बात नहीं। वो एक्चुअली कुछ टाइम टेबल का चेंजेस करना है क्या कुछ नहीं पाँच नहीं वो लोग ने क्या किया है मैं बताता हूँ आपको सर। 2 दिन ना 5-5 घंटे रखा है, 12 से 5 12 से 5 ऐसा रखा है वो लोग ने। अच्छा 2 ही दिन, अच्छा हाँ 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 नहीं वो इसने भी वही रखा है, हाँ 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 हाँ। क्या बात करना है टाइमिंग? ठीक है ठीक है। नहीं सर उनका, नहीं उनका कॉमन है ना वो ये, अरे वो 2 नहीं उनका ग्रुप है ना सर उसके साथ, तो मैं बात करता हूँ सर आज। हाँ हाँ अच्छा अच्छा हाँ हाँ नहीं हाँ नहीं चलेगा ना, बोलेंगे ना, बोलेंगे, बोलता हूँ आज ही बोलता हूँ। ठीक ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है। वो लोग तो मंडे वेडनेसडे फ्राइडे 5 बजे तो अपना क्लैश होएगा ना। हाँ 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 हाँ। तो व्हाट्सएप पे डालना पड़ेगा राहुल। हाँ नहीं फ्राइडे तो नहीं रखना पड़ेगा। हाँ बराबर। फिर क्या करेंगे तो राहुल को फोन करना पड़ेगा ना, तो लेकिन अभी कितना बजे रखना है, मतलब 3:30 से 5 ना। एक ही घंटा लेने बोलते हैं ना 3:30 to 4:30। अच्छा तो राहुल को आप करोगे क्या, क्योंकि मेरा अभी एक्चुअली लेक्चर है कंटिन्यू इसलिए। हाँ नहीं तो मैं कर लेता था। हाँ हाँ अब और खाली आप व्हाट्सएप पे डाल दो ना, फिर मैं बच्चों को मैसेज दे दूँगा। नहीं नहीं वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ अभी, अपने वो आज वो बच्चे आएंगे ना उनको कल का टाइम टेबल देना। नहीं नहीं सर वैसा नहीं, आज का बच्चे का नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं, जो बच्चे कल आएंगे ना अभी वापस यही बच्चे। सर सुनिए सुनिए मेरी मेरी बात सुनिए, अभी जो करंट बैच चल रहा है ना उसका लेक्चर भी है ना कल 5 बजे। हाँ तो कल का ही तो आप बोल रहे हो ना चेंज करने के लिए, आप कभी का बोल रहे हो। तो वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, तो जब भी वो अपना कंफर्म करेगा राहुल, तभी अपन ये बच्चों को ही बोलेंगे ना 3:30। हाँ, तो खाली आप व्हाट्सएप पे डाल दोगे, तो मेरा 5 से 6 लेक्चर है ना, तो उसमें मैं बोल दूंगा उनको ना। हाँ हाँ हाँ, ठीक है ठीक है, हाँ चलेगा, नो प्रॉब्लम नो प्रॉब्लम। हाँ
Done, sir.
it's completed. Sum number 17.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty in this sum? 17th one?
No, sir.
Okay. Shreyas, any difficulty?
Sir, not actually.
Okay. Arnav, Ashmit?
No, sir.
Okay. Sum number 18. Two equal sums were lent at, what is meaning of two equal sum?
Two equal principles.
Same principle.
Same principle, yes. So if first principle I take x, can I say second principle is also x? That means
Yes, sir.
were lent at simple interest of 11% per annum for how many year? 3.5 year, which is 7/2 year, and 4.5 year respectively. Interest is same, 11% per annum, but time is different. One is 3.5, other is 4.5 year, which is 9/2 year. If the difference in interest for two period is 4120, this time difference is given. So difference is 412.50 rupees. So can I start like this after writing this information? According to given condition, first interest, which interest will be more? Can you tell? One whose year is more, that will be more now.
Yes, sir.
So I2,
Yes.
I2 minus I1 is 412.50. I hope you followed.
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but P2 R2 T2 upon 100 minus P1 R1 T1 upon 100 is 412.50. So x into 11 into 9 upon 2 upon 100 minus x into 11 into 7/2 upon 100 is 412.50. Now 11 into 9 is how much? 99? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Upon 200 or not?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes.
is 77x upon 200 equals to 412.50. Now 200 in both denominator, so LCM is 200.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first you copy this much, then I'm clearing the space for completing the sum.
Done, sir.
I will just clear this left side to explain further. (99x minus 77). Can I say it is 22
Yes, sir.
upon 200 is 412.50. So 22x, you can cancel 2 into 100, 2 into 11. So I can get 11x equals to 100 into 412.50. 11x equals to, this multiply with 100, it will become 41250. Therefore, x is 41250 upon 11. 11 into 3 is 33. Remainder 8, 82. 11 sevens are 77. Remainder 5. 5, 11 5s are 55. So 3750 is the sum. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, sum is rupees 3750. Sums are lengthy. Be careful. Solve now till end.
Done, sir.
Okay. 17th also over. 18th. Will you try on your own? 18th? No, 18th we did. 19th, will you try on your own?
Okay.
Just try. One thousand 16,000, 6,000. We have to divide into two parts. We have to divide into two parts. So that simple interest on first for 9 months is equal to simple interest on second for 1.5 months. So if this is x, then can I say this is 6,000 minus x? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir, why minus?
6,000 total. You are dividing into two parts.
Huh.
So if one part is x, what will be second part? Suppose 30, I divide one part 10, other will be 20, na? Okay, all of you wait 1 minute. One minute, wait. We have to divide 6,000 into two parts. Just see example. If I have got 500 rupees in my pocket, I divide into two parts. In one pocket, I keep 100. In second pocket, I should keep how much? 500 minus 100 or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if one pocket, I keep 200. Second pocket, how much?
500 minus 200.
300.
If one pocket x, what I will keep in second pocket?
500 minus x.
Same way, if it is 6,000, I keep in one pocket X. What will be in other pocket?
6,000 minus
6,000
X.
minus 6.
So now total is 6,000. You have to divide into two parts. Can I say let one part be rupees X? Therefore, second part will be rupees 6,000 minus X. I hope you agreed.
Yes, sir.
Now, so P1 is rupees X. And for this, we are giving 9 months. 9 months. 9 months means 9 upon 12 year. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For what percent? Rate of interest 12%
12.
per annum. Simple interest on first part is equal to simple interest on second part. Second part ka principal is 6,000 minus X rupees. And time for that is 1.5 year. 1.5 year means 3/2 year. Rate of interest is, first part was 12, second part is 10% per annum. So we can say according to given condition, interest on first part equals to interest on second part. So P1 R1 T1 upon 100 equals to P2 T R2 P2 R2 T2 upon 100. If you want both side 100, you can cancel here only. P1,
Sir,
yes,
sir, that 9 upon 12 years, we can
we can
simplify
we
now.
can write 3 4 is the
3 by 4.
9, 3 4/4. We can write.
Okay, sir.
Now P1 is X, R1 is 12, and 3/4 year should be equal to 6,000 minus X. Just write down, space is not there, then I'm making it clear.
Okay, sir.
And R2 is 10 into 3/2. Space is not there, 3/2. First copy till this, then I'm creating space. X into 12 into 3/4 equals to 6,000 minus X into 10 into 3/2. 4 3s are 12. 2 into 5 is 10. So 3 into 3 is 9x. This is 6,000 minus x into 15. Yes, copy till this. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Till this everybody has copied?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please stop. See the calculation further. Don't write anything now. First understand the calculation. Now, if I open the next bracket, it will be 6,000 into 15 or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
What is 15 into 6? 90. And this 3 zeros, okay? Minus 15x. Who has not followed this line?
Sir, can you tell once?
Again, see, suppose it is A minus B into C. Means what? It is A into C minus B into C or not? So if I multiply 6,000 with 15, what I will get? 15 into 6, 90 and 3 zeros. Then x into 15 is 15x. Okay?
Okay.
Or again, you want me to explain?
No, sir, understood.
No, sir. Understood.
Now 9x plus 15x, can I say it is 90,000?
Yes, sir.
15 minus you bring on other side, it will become plus. Chalo, tell me what is 9 plus 15? Is it 24?
24.
24
24.
Yes.
is equals to 90,000. X will be 90,000 upon 24. 8, 3 into 8, 24. 3 threes are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 30,000. Still you can cancel by 4.
Yes, sir.
4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 7, 28. Remainder 2. 4 5s are 20. 7,500. So 23750. This is X. With 8 also you could have cancelled directly. 8 3s are 24. Remainder 6. 8 7s are 56. Remainder 4. 8 5s are 40. So copy till X equals to 3750. X equals to 3750. This is 6,000. So two parts are 3750 and 2250.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Next, again it is,
Well,
yeah, again it is divide type only. Divide a sum of 13,500 into two parts at the rate of 813 for 2 years 9 months and 1 year 8 months. Total interest received is 2375. So first interest plus second interest is 2375. Will you able to try? Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, today I'm not stopping here. 20 to 25 you try. By 10:30 night, I will send you the solution. Then cross check. So that next class I will start with new chapter. Is it okay for you all?
Yes, sir.
okay.
With solution, if you don't understand, I will explain. So just to save our time, and I will start with